I leave out. There are snow place and now I set up, so everybody out there get ready.
Yes, man. A friend of mine.
So after Portland, I'm gonna try my best for vlog as much as I can to the people, because I know I always get to do them thing there, but bag of vlog, bag of make this work. Stay tuned. People finally reach a Portland. How long now we drive?
More than 2 hours.
Yeah, around 3 hours. Oh, final there. It's about there. Ah, that's the entrance seat there. Cliffhanger. You see me? So there I go shoot the video in a day. Yeah, you see me? Body reach. I make this happen. So just get ready for scene one right now. And after we're done scene one, we're supposed to go to this waterfall and then catch some shots. But I put everything together and make things happen. So let's watch the flow.
Tell him I'm not here, baby. Why do I feel this way? Why do I feel this way? I'm in love with a restaurant. I'm in love with an African. I'm in love with a...
Come on, see everybody here. Dayz, me. Portland so hot. See the camera here and stuff. But they are still up on the shoot still. Around 3 more hours for go. You don't know the work go. Body think that life is easy, but it's not easy. But I love to see you again. So I guess I know. What I do more? Check on back later. Alright, people still in a Portland, you get me? We just take a break. The artist have put on her makeup. Just there enjoy the little cool breeze settings here. I know me that here. The sun hot. But guess what? Still have to do work. So that would do every day. Put in the work and put in the work and put in the work. So guess what now? Ready for round 2. Alright, people. See them journey there. They have a long way I want to go now. Portland hotter than Kingston. I think Kingston is hot. But Portland, you're going too bad. You need to calm down. You're too hot. Alright. Morning, people. I just reached home. What time now? 3:48. Alright, so with the shoot they going good. Can't complain. Rough. Check out my pants and I think I can see the stuff on it. Yeah. So right now, this is charge up equipment because we're out in the next 2 hours. Nah, but I sleep. You see me? So I just want to see if we can dump off and charge up. So soon people, in the next few hours, I'm out. Alright people, the yard boys right about now. Kinda tired. Wake up very early for come do some editing today. And if you don't know yard boys, you must know that movie. Yeah, them do it, you see me. So they are just do some local work. You know, just they are just go on do it, you see me. So follow me, see what I go on and show them around the place. Yeah, I finish up that video here, so I think I can see it properly. But yeah, I finish it up. So I can run out and go for my next job. You get what I'm saying? I have to head up all that. Along the people, this man bring. Where you make it?
I swear this one goes.
I'll buy a tuna sandwich. test. What them name swirls? Test if swirls can make good sandwich. Them bad. Them bad. I gotta buy one of these. So much treat. People 3 bills to the sandwich, it bad. Back soon money, but it bad. So I finish up this and get back to me. You get me? Alright, people, right now I'm there. I wait for some food, chicken and things that take on 2 hours right about now. Okay, cancel it. Jano, that more the more cancel it. Oh, this month, I think me never know time. Generator so tell me so I take 50 minutes reach office. The one take
Traffic up on the road.
The people them why it take so long.
Traffic up on the road, my G. Traffic.
Dogs traffic. But anyways, in Instagram I up on the page, you see me, so just follow up the general and just make the thing go. But right now I'm gonna head to where I go after this. I got Eden Gardens because I have a shoot with some wedding people. You get what I say, so I'll make it happen. Alright people, there about now just reach over there again. Over there Eden Gardens are gonna wait upon snow for fall for drop off some stuff give me cause I don't know I forgot to edit up my film today. Alright, so we're there on my head out and no snow there with you see me? Just there, we just don't do my day down at Eden Gardens, say I don't know after the next location. Yes people, today is a very busy day. That's why I say I didn't even vlog too tough because more time can't bother with it. But I'll go on the full run through I'm going for the rest of the day, man. You get me?
To get connected.
Alright, people, we just reached a limelight. You don't know, I'm going to check Leone earlier, but I only party is gone. But I get for shut up certain things, even fix my code, so I'm going to watch a whole heap of movies tonight. I know the thing. But we're there wait for the artist name again. Alright, we're there wait for the artist because I do a local meeting with them. You see me? And so can arrange a music video. Okay, I don't know my state, my life set, my work never done. You get what I say, you see me? But we make you know what I'm going with them reach. We grew up now and we get actual real life and them thing there, you see me? So you know the thing go. So guess I know people. We just there going to wait upon them. So just watch and follow, you know. You know, long the man I try hide from the camera, I'm just did have to catch him like one. See him right there, so I him nearly and don't try to hide, but he just can't hide. Alright, morning people, I'm there. Just come out of the show and things, so I'm gonna head on the road today. I have a lot to do today, but I don't even know where I'm gonna start. So just follow me throughout my day. Yeah, just follow me throughout my day and let's see how this day go. Shut down the laptop now and head out. So walk with me. That's no. Alright people.
You've seen the screen, you come here on the screen.
Yeah, the wait there.
You see him bridging that bar.
Alright, so people, with the emerge merge. Too much rum, sorry.
Emerge multimedia.
Alright, with the emerge multimedia studio. Travis over there, so I do a whole heap of work. My day did rough. Leon, how much place I got from there?
I don't know.
I think I got around 15 places from there, people. My day rough. So right now I'm just there. Thank God for Travis make me all the one place I do some editing. I actually can try shut me eye while this take 1 hour and 15 minutes to finish export. You see me?
Pizza.
Where's the pizza?
I'm just saying it sounds like that.
No,
That's all.
I'm not that fast. But yeah, people, we're just there doing the work. I'm sure no one go on the computer screen and thing. So just look out.